Today I am going to talk about the topic of a binary tree. Suppose I have a binary tree like this. Here h is the horizontal horizontal distance. Considering root nodes, horizontal distance h is equal to 0. So on moving toward the left, horizontal decrease by 1. So left nodes become horizontal distance becomes -1, and right node horizontal becomes +1. Similarly, following the pattern, we, I can define horizontal distance each for every of the node. So it becomes like this. So in finding the top view of a binary tree, we have to consider the nodes whose horizontal distance occurs first. Means here h occurs first while traversing the binary tree. So we have to consider this. H is equal to this node occurs first, so we have to consider this node in the top view. One here one occurs first, so we have to consider this node as a part of the top view. Same for this and this. We don't have to consider, sorry for this, it should be 0. We don't have to consider these nodes because 0 occurs previously as a root node. So we have to don't consider this one. So so how we can solve this question? We just have to traverse a tree and maintain a map which stored the horizontal distance and the occurrence. If that horizontal distance not occurred previously, we have to include the node. Otherwise, we just have to traverse in all the direction, and this can be solved in O(n) time complexity. Now you can see my code over here. Here what I do, if root node is null, so there is no one. This is a base condition. Okay. Now I have taken a cube. This is for storing the node and this is for height. Now I consider the root node's horizontal distance to be 0. So it should be 0 here. Now I have taken the map. Now I have traversing the cube while it is not empty. It is basically, you can call it as BFS. BFS. I am trying to run over here. Okay. Now I am taking the topmost, which is here a root. Now I am traversing towards the left and right. Now if not, here I am checking condition if if this horizontal distance occurred previously or not. If it is occurred, then we have to do nothing. If it is not occurred, then we have to take it that node. Now we are traversing, checking the condition. We have to, if we can traverse to the left, if we can traverse towards the right. Since we know that in HTL, map store all the nodes in a sorted order, so I have just traversed from just traversed the map and I got the answer. Thank you.